Have you ever been bored in class, or maybe making paper airplanes for an engineering class? Paper airplanes aren't just a way to annoy the substitute teacher. They're also ways to help kids learn physics and science. Today we're going to be talking about 3 things about paper airplanes. First, we're going to talk about the history of paper airplanes. Then we're going to talk about how to make a paper airplane. And lastly, we're going to talk about the benefits of paper airplanes to oneself. First, I'm going to show you about the history of paper airplanes. It first started in ancient China when people first started folding paper as art and other things. Then in ancient Japan, people started using it to make origami and other art. And in the 19th century is when people started using paper airplanes to help learn physics and to test aerodynamics. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. First, you're going to start out by folding the paper in half vertically. Then you're going to unfold it and fold the top 2 corners in. Then you're going to fold it, the wings again in the middle. And then you want to fold it in half like that, and then fold the wings out about halfway. And that's how you make a basic paper airplane. Now I'm going to show you how to make a more advanced one. You're going to start by folding paper in half vertically and then unfolding it. Then you want to fold the top down about 2 centimeters and then doing that 2 more times, folding it in half. Then you want to fold the corners in, then you want to fold the paper in half, and then fold it back out and form wings. Lastly, I want to talk about why making paper airplanes benefits you. First, it helps kids and everyone learn science like lift, drag, and gravity, and aerodynamics. It also teaches trial and error, because maybe you might mess up making an airplane, but then you try again until you get it right. Another way is it's a fun way to relieve stress. Just by expressing yourself, you can even make art on the airplane. Today, we talked about the history of paper airplanes, how to make one, and the benefits of making paper airplanes.